At the moment, the Malaysian pool industry is still getting prosperous, and with the new government, I think there's even more to come. Thank you.
How's the association going? Is the association building membership?
We had about 50 members. I would like to mention here that sadly we have missed our founder president, Mr. Chew Soo Ngee, 2 years ago, and he's the man that behind the formation. We are trying to continue with his legacy of promoting swimming pool associations in Malaysia and other parts of the world. MSPA has been working closely with SPASA over the years in terms of training and also some workshops, you know.
So you've been organising some workshops together?
We have been organising, but we have not done it this year yet. We are proposing to start something again this year. The whole delegation of this time is 13 from Kuala Lumpur, Malaysia.
And are you going to have a look around the Gold Coast and Queensland as well?
Yeah, we have been, the whole delegate has been here since Sunday. So we've been moving around, and then today is official function coming to the exhibition.